Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to solve the error code 0xc0000005, then please watch this video. So the first step we can do is run an SFC scan. Now basically this error occurs because of the bad sectors in the hard disk. Some sectors may have been corrupted. So how do we run an SFC scan? We look for command prompt and right click to run as administrator. In the prompt panel, we type this command sfc space / scan now SCANNOW SCANNOW and press enter. Now once the scan finishes, it should resolve your problem. But if that doesn't work also, then we can run a Windows memory diagnostic tool. So we press the Windows and R button. This will open up a panel, and in that we type MDSCHED and we press enter and restart now and check for problems. Once the scan finishes, the problem should not appear again. And if it still persists, then we will update all the drivers. And how do we do that? We right click on the start button, look for settings, Windows Update, advanced options, optional updates. And if there are any optional updates, we need to install them and restart the computer. That should solve the error. I hope this solved your problem. Please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.